When I look at this question, I'm able to kind of figure out what they're testing because I've been very experienced with what the SAT likes to go for. So this is testing tense, right? You probably get that from there. But I call tense questions in the SAT something different. I call them symmetry questions because I like to emphasize the fact that we're not just coming up with the tense out of nowhere. The correct tense is going to match with something else, usually in the same sentence. And so when we want to think about symmetry, we're trying to say, okay, where's the other part? Where's the other thing that this underlined portion is supposed to match with? And this sentence makes it pretty clear. Some college towns and resort communities embrace the model because buses can go faster when drivers would not have had to collect fares, right? So they can go faster when drivers would not have had to collect fares. Well, hopefully that sounds asymmetrical and terrible. It also probably sounds bad to put C here. Did not have is past tense, and this is not past tense. Some people have trouble, though, with B and D, but to me, B is really obviously the answer, right? They can go faster when drivers do not have to collect fares. Those are symmetrical. They sound like the same tense to me. D is wrong because there's no will in the first part, right? They didn't say buses will go faster when drivers will not have to collect fares, right? They didn't say that. That sounds weird too. But if the will was in the first part, I would expect it in the second part. It's not. So that's not going to match. And so, yeah, you might be able to just hear what the right answer is here. But remember, this is a grammar question. It's not just about what sounds good. There's a rule underlying this, and that rule is that the tenses need to match. We need to make sure sentences follow a rhythm and have some sort of symmetry. So if you can get your brain on that path by predicting the question based on the choices, you're much more likely to be confident in your answer and know why the thing that sounds good is good. You want to do that as much as possible. So predict the question so you know, oh, this is about grammar, this is about rules. Let me follow a rule and get the answer.